Hey guys, today I was going storm chasing, but I decided to do my tornado siren test, and let's just do it. It's pretty loud, so alright, here we go. Alright guys, that was the tornado siren. So, and this is what it looks like. It doesn't spin around. Stock Cedar's just looking at the camera. Oh shoot! She just grabbed me. I can't. Guys, there's a tornado warning. Oh my gosh, guys, I got it in the video. There's a tornado striking me, guys. Bye.